Quick, graph y equals 3 times 1/2 raised to the x power by hand, 2 different ways, part of the family of functions series. You will need graph paper or download this PDF and print it. Press pause as needed anytime. The first way is using the 1/2 to the x dance, as we call it. Y equals the quantity 1/2 raised to the x has an asymptote at y equals 0. The factor of 3 here does not affect that asymptote. So let's go ahead and graph the x-axis, the line y equals 0. The origin is also unaffected by that factor of 3, so we'll plot that as our origin. And all points will be plotted relative to that origin. For example, normally we go right 0 up 1, but because of the factor 3, it's right 0 up 3. 3 to the 1/2 to the 0 power is 3 times 1, which is 3. Right 1 normally up 1/2, but it's going to be times 3, so 3/2. Right 2, 3 times 1/4 is 3/4. And right 3 up 3 times 1/8 is 3/8. Going on the left side, left 1 up 6, because normally we would go up 2, but multiply 2 by 3 and we get 6. And also left 2 up 12, we even had to go off the grid to do that. Connecting the points, this is our exponential decay function, y equals 3 times the quantity 1/2 raised to the x. Comparing that to the parent function, you can see that going from blue to green, the blue values are tripled going to the green. Also here, blue is 1, green is 3, tripled, and here also tripled. Second way, using a table. This is our y equals 2 to the x table. We're going to multiply each y value by 3 because of the coefficient there. So 3 times 1/4 is 3/4, so plot 2, 3/4. 3 times 1/2 is 3/2, 1, 1 1/2. 1 times 3 is 3, so 0, 3. 2 times 3 is 6, -1, 6. And 4 times 3 is 12, -2, 12, which is kind of off the grid. So maybe we need to shift it down so we can plot -2, 12. Drawing the horizontal asymptote, the x-axis, the line y equals 0. Connect the points, and then comparing that to the parent function. Now you try one. Graph y equals 4 times the quantity of 1/2 raised to the x. Use either method or both for the practice. Press pause to do this and then resume when you're finished to check your answer. And here is that answer.